is killing me right now. I would give that bite to the first person who could make this pain go away.
Oh, you're really hurting, huh?
Oh, Kramer, it's just awful.
Mm-hmm. Well, your arterials have constricted. All right, lean forward. Relax.
What? What?
Yeah, encounter shiatsu.
Wait a minute. Kramer, you know what you're doing here?
Oh, yeah. A wise man once taught me the healing power of the body's natural pressure points.
Uh-huh.
He sells T-shirts outside the World Trade Center. He's a genius.
What?
Here we go.
Oh,
Here we go. All right, from pain will come pleasure. Voila, huh?
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Wow. That is unbelievable. That pain is totally gone.
What's even more amazing is his formal training is in pediatrics.